Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw an anglerfish. You may be wondering why I'm laughing, so I'm going to read a description and then show you a picture of this lovely fish. The angry looking deep sea anglerfish has a right to be cranky. It is quite possibly the ugliest animal on the planet. Ah, it's not very nice. And it lives in what is easily Earth's most inhospitable habitat, the lonely, lightless bottom of the sea. Okay, right, so now for the picture. Here we go. Let's get this up. My puppy's being cheeky today. I've done this video about 5 times. She's been very cheeky. There we go. Would you like to give him a kiss? I suddenly wasn't. Look at him. So, this bit at the top actually lights up. So on your picture, when you do it, you could colour it in and make it look like it's glowing. I think they do it to attract fish towards their mouth and then they can eat them. Nice. So let's get going. I hope you're going to behave, little one. She's been really cheeky. Right, so I'm going to start with the light. This is the bit on the top here. I'm going to do a little blob, and then we're going to draw round to about there. If that's uncomfortable your hand, move your paper in the way you go, direction you're going. I'm going to do the same here. Come all the way down to there. Okay, so now for the mouth, I'm going to draw. There we are. Big mouth. Okay, I'm going to come round for the body. Again, you might find this uncomfortable for your hand, so what I would do is move your paper so it's more comfortable. I'm just keeping mine there because I'm drawing it so you can see. So there we go, there's this lovely looking tail there. I think it's his face and his teeth that are the bit. I'm just going to draw this bit here before I draw the rest of the body, and then I don't draw a line across, and then I'm going to draw that connecting to there like that, and then look, this bit's going to come round, okay, connect to there, so it matches up with that. I'm going to put some lines on this, like that. She's being good now, I think. She's cheeky. 3 on each. There we go, like that. And then I'm going to draw the eye. They have a tiny little eye. There we go. And then the middle. That's that. Join that up there. Now the jig-jaggy teeth. So she isn't being good. She's being a naughty girl. 1 second. Come here, you. Get off that. She always gets the things that she knows she's not allowed. So I'm going to draw the teeth now. So the tooth's going to come round and in, like that. And the reason I think for that is when the fish or its prey go in, it's going to be hard to get out. So I want to draw these teeth first. I'm not even looking to see what she's up to. She's a cheeky girl today. Like that. Very pretty. I certainly wouldn't want to be in that mouth. And I'm going to draw the teeth at the top. Bottom, what am I saying? Again, arched round. Nice. There we go. And I think the anglerfish is done. You might want to, when you're colouring in, you might want to do some shading on that bit, maybe. What is she doing now? Annie, get down. They say don't work with animals, don't they? Hey? So if you could send me, Annie, you could send me your pictures. I will put them on my Facebook page. You'll see the details below. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.